Welcome back. Content delivery network. A content delivery network, or CDN, is a system of distributed servers that deliver web content and other digital assets to users based on their geographic location. CDNs are designed to improve the performance, availability, and security of web services by reducing latency and optimizing delivery of content. Let's talk about how it works, how the CDN works. So let's say that we have a client and the client trying to send requests to the server. The server will read or write requests. The server will maybe get some data or edit or write some data to the database and will send again the response to a client, and it looks good. Also, the client could access or could send some sort of requests to access static content like images, CSS templates, HTML pages, etc. And the server will access them from a database or a cache or whatever it will be. This will be quite good, but we need to improve the performance and reduce the latency as much as we can. There were the CDNs comes into play. So how the CDN works? Basically, the CDN will capture all the assets or the static content and try to save them near to the user. So when the user trying to load the image or load any HTML pages, it will not be generated or it will not be sent from the server. It will be sent from the content delivery network instead. So a CDN is a network of geographically dispersed servers used to deliver a static content. And the CDN servers cache the static content like images, video, CSS, JavaScript file, etc. But let's talk about some key concepts of the CDN. The first thing that we will talk about, which is, oh, this is too much. Yeah. I don't know why it didn't work. Let's see. Yeah. The first thing that we'll talk about, which is the graphic distribution. CDN providers deploy servers in multiple locations around the world. These servers cache content close to the end user. Also, there is something it's called a point of presence. So like specific locations or data centers where CDN servers are located. The second thing that we already talked about, which is caching. Files that do not change frequently, such as images, CSS, JavaScript, videos, and documents, are cached on edge servers. Also, some CDNs accelerate dynamic content delivery by routing requests through optimized path. So we need to talk about what are the benefits from using the CDN. The first, we said that we're improving the performance because we reduce the latency by caching content closer to users. CDNs reduce the time it takes for content to travel from the server to the user. The second thing, the faster load times, like we enhances user experience by delivering content more quickly, leading to faster page load time. Also, there is increasing in availability and reliability because multiple edge servers ensures the content is always available even if some servers fail. Also, scalability we handles a larger volumes of traffic and scales seamlessly during traffic spikes. So there are some challenges that comes to the CDN. The first thing is let's talk about the challenges. The first thing that we'll talk about, which is a cost. And in your system design interviews, you will find the cost topic comes a lot. So CDNs can be expensive, especially for small businesses or startup with limited budget. So when you design your system, you should put this in consideration, and it's a really important topic. Also, we have variable costs, like costs may vary based on the traffic, storage, and additional services like DDoS or protection and SSL certifications. Number two, complexity. Configuring and management requires a proper configuration and ongoing management to ensure the optimal performance. Also, integrating a CDN with existing infrastructure may require uh, technical experience. Also, number three, content invalidation. We should have some sort of cache invalidation, ensure that cached content is up to date or invalidated when changes occur on the original server can be changing. Also, we need to talk about the policy for how long we will save the the assets or the static content in the CDN. Number four, which is the geographic coverage. The effectiveness of the CDN depends on geographic distribution of its edge servers. Some regions may have better coverage than the others. So, in conclusion, CDNs are essential for improving the performance, availability, and security of web services and digital content delivery by caching content closer to user and distributing traffic across network of edge servers. CDNs reduce latency, enhance user experience, and provide robust protection against the traffic surges and attacks. Proper implementation and management of CDN can significantly benefit websites, web application, streaming services, and many other use cases. So that's it for this video, and see you in the future.